It's fireworks season again, and even though us humans enjoy watching the celebrations, our pets can find it really scary. Research shows that nearly half of UK dogs show signs of fear when they hear fireworks. But luckily, there's lots of things you can do to help your pets cope. So we're here to share our top tips on helping make fireworks less frightening for our pets this bonfire night and in the future. Number 1, remember to walk your dog during daylight hours. Number 2, keep dogs and cats indoors when you think fireworks are likely to go off. Number 3, make sure your dog or cat always has somewhere to hide if they want to, and that they have access to this place at all times. For example, that could be under some furniture or in a cupboard. Don't try to tempt your cat out when they're in their hiding place, as it could cause them more stress. Number 4, make a doggy safe den. You can provide your dog with a doggy safe haven. This should be a quiet area, so choose the quietest room in your house. It should also be a place where they feel safe and in control, so don't pester your dog when they're in the den. So this is the finished doggy den, and Bowie, my glamorous assistant, is going to demonstrate. Bowie, in your bed. In your bed. Good boy, good boy. So it's important to train your dog to associate the den with positive experiences, so by having a nice comfy bed, toys, selection of his favourite toys, nice stuffed Kong is always good. Good boy. And before the fireworks start, cover the den with blankets to muffle some of the noise and the flashing lights. Blankets also help nervous dogs feel a bit more secure. When the dog's in the crate, always ignore the firework noises yourself. You can try to play with them, but don't force them if they don't want to. Number 5. At nightfall, close windows and curtains and put music on to muffle the sound of the fireworks. Number 6. Never punish your pets when they're scared, as this will only make things worse in the long run. Number 7. Make sure your pets are always in a safe, secure environment and that they can't escape if they do hear loud noises. And always remember to get your pets microchipped just in case they do escape. And here are top tips for small animals. Number 1. If your pets live outside, partly cover cages, pens and aviaries with blankets so that one area is well soundproofed, but make sure your pets are still able to look out. Number 2. Provide lots of extra bedding so your pets have something to burrow in. Number 3. Consider bringing your pets indoors. This should be done gradually, so you'll need to plan ahead. It's always better to plan ahead for your pets during fireworks season to help them cope. Ask your vet for advice. They might suggest pheromone diffusers, which disperse calming chemicals into the room, and they might also refer you to a behaviourist who will be able to help your individual pet. We also recommend Sound Scary, an easy to follow therapy pack which includes sound recordings to help your pet learn to be less afraid of loud noises in the long term. Click on the link for more tips and to download Sound Scary.